The story of Aladdin.
Once upon a time, in a faraway land, there lived a young boy named Aladdin. He was poor and lived with his mother in a small, humble home. Despite their hardships, Aladdin was kind and full of dreams. One day, a mysterious stranger arrived in the city, claiming to be a magician. This man had a secret. He knew of a magical lamp hidden in a remote cave. The magician approached Aladdin and told him that he was a powerful sorcerer who needed a young boy's help to retrieve the lamp. He promised Aladdin riches beyond his wildest dreams if he obeyed his instructions. Curious and eager for adventure, Aladdin agreed. The magician led him to a dark cave filled with treasures and dangerous traps. Inside, Aladdin found the magic lamp and, with some difficulty, managed to bring it out. When Aladdin returned home, he was surprised to find that rubbing the lamp would summon a powerful genie. The genie could grant any wish Aladdin desired. Excited by the possibilities, Aladdin used the lamp to become rich and to improve his life. He built a beautiful palace and married the princess, who was captivated by his kindness and humility. However, the magician was not pleased. He learned that Aladdin had the magic lamp and sought to steal it. Disguised as an old man, he tricked Aladdin's wife into giving him the lamp. Once he had it, the magician used the genie to take over Aladdin's palace and imprison him. Despite the magician's treachery, Aladdin was clever. With the help of the magic ring, which also contained a lesser genie, he devised a plan to rescue himself and his wife. He tricked the magician into releasing him from the palace And with the power of the genie, he defeated the magician and restored his palace and his life. In the end, Aladdin learned the importance of honesty and humility. He and his princess lived happily ever after, always grateful for the magic lamp that changed their lives forever. The story of Aladdin teaches us that true happiness does not come from wealth or magic alone, but from kindness, bravery, and integrity. It reminds us to be grateful for what we have and to use our gifts wisely. Aladdin's journey from poverty to prosperity shows that even in the darkest times, hope and courage can lead us to a brighter future. The end.